Hey y'all, so today I will be talking about river otters. So, a little background, they're found across North America in marine and freshwater habitats. They live alone or in pairs, but they do socialize in groups and they'll use chirps and squeals to communicate with other otters. They do have poor eyesight above water, but their forepaws and their whiskers are super sensitive. And actually, the area of the brain that receives tactile information from their whiskers is larger compared to the same area of the brain in other species. And an interesting fact, river otters are an indicator species, so their presence indicates good water quality. So today I'm focusing on how river otters find food. So their diet consists of aquatic wildlife like fish, crayfish, crabs, frogs, and even the eggs of species, or they forage for aquatic plants. River otters have a high metabolism, so they need to eat frequently. This high metabolism is important for generating body heat. Hans Krug in the Department of Zoology at a university in Scotland actually did a study and said river otters eat 15 to 20% of their total body weight each day. Hunting. So, N. Duplay said river otters will actually small concentrations of fish in upstream ponds and then will follow those to slow moving creeks. They use their whiskers around their mouth and their nose to detect movements of prey in water. They catch the prey with their teeth and hold them in their paws. But a study by Foster Turley said that river otters can only hold their breath for up to 8 minutes, which is a long time. But this is why they'll often catch their prey in water, and then they'll bring larger prey on land in order to consume them. And they also have better vision underwater to also assist with the catching of their prey. There are threats to river otters, including climate change is the main one. So river otters' prey, like fish, crayfish, and insects, are all sensitive to even minor temperature changes. Even something as little as 5 degrees Celsius can drastically affect the river otter's prey. If prey populations decrease, river otters could risk extinction. And there was a study done by N. Marama that said sea level rise and salination of freshwater can also negatively affect river otters. So this loss of prey, Code et al. Looked at how otters are at the top of their food chain. So they did an estimation that if the decline in their populations with loss of prey will have cascading effects on the whole food chain. And competition between otters already limits food availability for young and smaller otters. So less dominant otters often have prey stolen from them, and so they have to eat smaller prey scraps. If the prey becomes more limited, those less dominant otters that struggle with food would suffer even more. So C and Franny said that climate change could lead to the extinction of the species as a whole. So river otters, this class has given me a new perspective on them. I used to just think they were really cute, but now that I've learned that they have really complex behaviors and hunting habits, and their social behaviors are suited for their best way of life, living independently and being territorial, but still socializing together. And it was interesting to learn how river otters' perspective is so drastically different from other animals. So that's all I have. Thank you.